Okay, so here is your question related to this module. Here you need to create a circle with radius 5 unit, a square with side 5 unit length, and a triangle with edge length of 5 unit. Now make 3 corresponding layers, 3 layers with name radius, 3 layers with name circle, square and triangle, and place these objects on the respective layers. Now assign a red color and ISO dash line type to layer which contains circle and a line weight of 0.5 to the layer which contain square and triangle. So let's start with the geometries first. So I'll go to circle, click at a point and make a circle with 5 unit radius. There we have it. Now let's zoom out. Okay, let's go to rectangle, click at a point and make a rectangle with length 5 and a width of 5. So that will make a square. And now the third geometry, which will make with polygon. So select polygon. Now in number of sides, enter 3 and press enter. Now specify center, which should be anywhere. Now we need to specify the edge length. So click on this edge option and click at any point here and specify the edge length as 5 unit and press enter. So there we have it, all the 3 geometries. Now we need to make corresponding layers. For that, I'll go to Layer Properties Manager. Click on New and give it a name. So let's name it as Circle. Make second layer, name it as Square, and make third layer, name it as Triangle. Now we need to put these objects on the respective layer. For that, I'll close this Layer Properties Manager, select the circle, click on this drop down and select circle. Let's press escape. Now select the square, click on drop down and select square, and once again press escape. Now select the triangle, click on the drop down, select triangle and press escape. So now we have made the objects and we have assigned them on different layers. Now we need to change their properties, but using the Layer Properties Manager. So in the first case, we need to assign red color and ISO dash line type to layer containing circle. So go to Layer Properties Manager again, go to this circle layer and assign red color. So I'll click on color box, select red, click on OK. Now scroll it a little bit here. Here we have the line type, click on it, and we don't have any line type here. So I'll click on load and let's load ISO dash, which is here. Click on OK, select ISO dash, click on OK, and there we have it. ACAD ISO dash, that's loaded here. Now you can collapse this to see the effect, and there we have it. Let's now bring it back. Now I'll change the second and third properties, which are related to square and triangle layer. Now in this case, we need to change the line weight to 0.5 for both of these layers. So here we have the line weight, click on it, change it to 0.5 and change it to 0.5 for this case. And there we have it. Now the properties are assigned. Let's get back to the drawing and let's see the effect. Now here in this case, we have some problems. The scale of this line here in the case of circle is very large that we need to change. So I'll type LT scale, that's for line type scale, and the scale factor is set to 1. Let's change it to 0.25 and press enter, and you can see that it will change the scale. In this case, we are not changing the scale from the property panel, but we are changing it using LT scale command. So once again, I'll type LT scale and I'll change it to 0.1, and that looks quite appropriate. So you can use this also to change the line type scale of all of the geometries which are present here in the drawing area. Now we need to ensure that the line weight is visible for both of these objects. So for that, we simply need to turn on this line weight display, and there we have it. It's now visible. So here we have the final drawing as per the required layer assignments.